Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a new engine has arrived, getting ready to do the unboxing. Now, an interesting story behind this one. This is a Marx 999. Found it on eBay. $20 or best offer. And it didn't sell. I contacted the guy, I offered him $6, and he accepted. So, if that's any indication, this thing is trashed. Anyway, looking at the photos, it is definitely trashed. So it's going to be interesting to see what this actually looks like, what kind of condition it's in. But like I said, from the photos, it's trash. All right. There's the engine. Let me get the stuff out of the way. All right, now let's see what we're up against here. Always fun to buy these old junky engines and see if I can get them running. And if I can, of course, I use them for parts. But before I do anything, I always try my best to get them running. So let's see what this looks like. Well, as you can see, it's been pretty badly stored in a wet environment. This is all oxide on the pot metal, the cast zinc itself. The motor is free, it turns, it's complete, it has the front and rear trucks, there's no damage to it, there doesn't appear to be any damage to it. It's actually in fairly decent condition. The body, the paint, as you see, is just trash. Alright, before we do anything else, we're going to do a quick lube and tune on this. I have a bottle of 91% alcohol. I'm going to spray this directly on the armature and turn it with my thumb. All right, a few drops of oil on the armature bearing and 2 drops of oil on the output shaft for the motor. All right, so overall fairly poor condition as far as the body goes. The motor looks like it's in really decent shape. Doesn't have a whole lot of runtime. Let me pull one of the engines off. We'll put this on the rail and see what happens. All right. Take that one off, set it out of the way. All right, let's see if this will run. $6. Marx 999 on eBay. Power is on. And it runs. Come on, you can do it. So that is dirty connections. But just the fact that it runs is encouraging, which means it won't take anything at all to get this thing actually running. All right. Zap with some alcohol again. Still nothing. There we go. Once you get these things broken loose and you get them running, they will usually take off and start running. That's the E unit. So we will very likely bypass that. But just the fact that the motor is running at all is encouraging. Yep, that's the E unit. And what happens is the E unit is just a solenoid operated switch. That's really all it is. And over the years, especially being stored in an environment, as you see, this was a damp basement. There's no doubt about that. And oxide builds up on all the contacts and just kills the electrical connection dead. And the motor just isn't getting any power. You can hear the E unit. There we go. But it's not getting any power to the motor, as you see. And sometimes if you cycle these enough, they'll break loose and start running. Other times, not. And you have to wind up bypassing that E unit just to get the motor running. So, slowly going into reverse, nothing in forward. Alright, so anyway, I just wanted to document this. $6 on eBay. So I'll take this apart, I'll bypass the E unit. There's no point in messing with it. And there's no point in trying to replace it. The E unit costs more than the entire engine did. And it won't take much to clean this up. And as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. Just because it's junk when you get it doesn't mean it's going to be junk when you're finished with it. And in just a few minutes, I can have this motor running really, really well. I have absolutely no doubt about that. So I'll take it apart, clean it up a bit, and bypass the E unit, lube it, tune it, and do a follow-up video. But I just want to do a video of taking this out of the box. $9.99 on eBay for $6. Really difficult to beat that. So like I said, I'll just pull this out, bypass the E unit, lube it, tune it, and I'll have this running probably in about 10 minutes. We will see. Anyway, I just wanted to document it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.